are going to cross the bridge to Brooklyn. How long will it take?
Up to 1 hour.
I can't walk anymore. My feet, my leg, I'm in pain. If you ever come here, maybe you can take the train. It's not so fun to walk in here.
Yeah.
You bump into many people with the selfie sticks.
And a lot of people who ride a bike.
Too many people. Now you can see the skyline of New York a little bit. Look. It was close. We took some pictures. It's a nice day.
Yeah.
The sun is out.
Yesterday it was a rainy day. Today the sun is out.
Too many people. This bridge has no end. We are walking for miles. It's a long walk. We are almost done with this bridge. So we just ordered a steak for two.
Rare.
German potatoes. Did you taste the sauce?
Weird. Like very concentrated.
Sour.
First time we went to eat lunch in a normal restaurant.
Where is that goddamn steak?
They are slaughtering the cow.
Oh no. Cow. Would you like to eat some bread? No bread for you.
Hot stuff. There you go. Right, it's gonna be, it looks like it's cooked more than it is. We'll see how rare it is on the inside, okay?
Okay.
So you got the filet mignon here, right? Filet.
Oh, nice.
And sirloin. Okay?
Yeah.
I'll get the side orders, then I'll get a water pitcher and you get some more water. Okay? There you go. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
I'll be right back. 1 minute.
Cool, thank you. You want some? Thank you very much.
Good?
Yeah, amazing.
Good, very good. Just want to make this.
Thank you.
This is hot too. Be careful with
Thank
this
you.
too.
What is this? Spinach?
Cream spinach, yes.
Good.
All right, that's
Thank
it.
you.
This is it. This is the meal. That's it. Steak, potatoes,
Amazing. I get it on video already.
I know.
I can't eat anymore. Look how much. Can't finish.
I'm still eating.
I know that you want some steak, but I'm here and you're there. So forget it. Can you eat more? Well, this is what we got left. And more on the plate.
I ate 3 pieces. And you?
I don't know. I'm steak drunk right now.
It's called meat weakness.
The weakness of the meat. So it was good.
Perfect.
Thank you. Bye. That's Peter Luger. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. This is it. Peter Luger.
Really nice view.
And you can see the graffiti. What do you think about Brooklyn?
I like Brooklyn.
Would you like some broccoli?
Yeah.
I like some broccoli. What do you know about Brooklyn?
What do you know about broccoli?
I know more about broccoli than I know about Brooklyn. Brooklyn is green. Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Am I right? Am I right? Am I left?
We're
Am I funny?
Williamsburg.
William Strasbourg. Herzlich willkommen. Can I buy a stove and bring it on the plane? Refrigerator? Can put it on the airplane. It won't pass customs. We will think it's full of cocaine. It's green. Let's first.
Going to the hotel. $3. Why? Okay.
Alright. We accidentally went to the other direction. Maybe we'll try to take the fucking elevator. One slice, 99 cents. Actually, it's not so stinky in here in the elevator. And we are going to take the train to
Manhattan.
Manhattan. And the door is opening. And the door is opening.
And the door is
And the door is opening now. Hallelujah. We got it, finally.